Well, in this opportunity, we are going to learn how to create a line graph. So the first step is to identify where my information or data is. And to the left side, see how I have here the values, and to the bottom, and the first part is for the dimension. So in order to create a line graph, we need the time and the value. So first step is taking some of these time dimensions and drag and drop to the columns. Okay, so when I dragged this first dimension, see how the first time measure is year. Because of our data or information is in days of the month, we're going to click on the drop down arrow and then select days. Okay, that way you can see how the chart is already prepared to get information on each day of the month. After that, we need to drag and drop the information from the values and then take it to the rows position. See how we already create a line chart, and remember that here on the marks we will need to select the different type of charts regarding the variables. Okay, and if you want to navigate into different type of charts, just click on the upper right side on show me, and that way you can change the type of chart to be deployed. Okay, see how some charts work better than others. So we will left this chart in order to illustrate the data for each day on the December month. See how when you hover over the line, you can see on each point, this represents a cell in a particular date in the database. See how we have, for example, on December 1st, this amount of trips, and continue it with the rest of the charts. We will see the different points from the database.